rainbow. Oh my lord, look at that. It's massive. Above up to the here there. Look. It's big up to there. Up there. Over on the other side. It's full rainbow. Wow. Nila naglarga lang ng sakyanan ay. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that rainbow, is full. Buo, dalaw, double jud. Double jud siya ba? Ang laka nito sa rainbow ay. Yeah, Kobe. They said
that's what they think.
They have a sign. They said it's a sign. Look at that. Up to there. A double rainbow, guys. Oh, ganda.
You know what they be saying now, don't you?
Huh?
LGBTQ++, to be saying, oh, it's a sign that God loves us.
Why? God. God loves you. God loves you. Oh, wow. Beautiful rainbow. Double kayo. Ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo ang rainbow. Wow, so beautiful rainbow. Ganda ng rainbow eh. Kasi nagsilaw ang araw. Kaya gumanda ang lumaki ang rainbow. Klaro na klaro, double pa jud. Klaro ang rainbow. It's clear. At the end of the rainbow, there is pot of gold. Chase the rainbow. Skittles. Chase the rainbow, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. I-zoom in mo. Wow, ang ganda ng rainbow talaga. So, what's the color of the rainbow? Roy G. Bibb. They say, when we are at school, we let us drawing all the time. We drawing. Wow, ang beautiful. Look at that. Ang ganda, look. Oh my lord. Ang ganda. The rainbow. Still there, the rainbow lalo. It's massive. Laki. Double the rainbow. Wow, look at that. Look at the view.